So in this video, I'm going to show you one of the incredible dual boots that I have been able to make till now. In front of me you can see there is this old PC on which I've installed two operating systems, and those two operating systems are Microsoft Windows XP and Windows 11. As unbelievable as it may seem, this hardware, the specific hardware that this PC has, is officially supported for all operating systems since Windows XP to Windows 10, and since it can run Windows 10, it can run Windows 11 with certain tweaks. Taking advantage of that, I've installed Windows XP and 11 both on this system, and both the operating systems have the correct drivers. Speaking about the configuration of this PC, here are all the specs, so you can pause to read them. Also, since this PC is kinda dated, it has a physical CD DVD drive which is absent in most modern PCs, like that PC behind one. Now, without further ado, let's just start the system and see what does it display. Okay, system is powered on. Now let's go to the monitor and see. Okay, first of all we see the motherboard logo, and then what do we see? We see Windows Boot Manager, which is obviously supposed to be there since there are multiple operating systems. And as you can see, both Windows XP and Windows 11 are showing. I've configured the boot manager to show it this way. So first of all, let's start Windows 11 because it is quite expected to run on such kind of a PC. It has nothing special, so let's just speed it up. So yeah, as expected, the PC has booted up into Windows 11, and if I go on system, yeah, it just shows all the specs and the OS related stuff. Keep in mind this is the Windows 11 Home Edition and the version is 22H2 as you can see. So that was the pretty normal thing that I wanted to show you. But now let's try to reboot this system into Windows XP and see whether this exact set of hardware can actually run both the operating systems or not. So I've restarted it and let's wait for a moment. There is some kind of ACPI issue going on in this system, so it takes a long time to shut down or restart. But anyways, I think it has started now. Okay. Now I will try to go into Windows XP from the boot manager. Okay, we are here. Let's select Windows XP and we see the full screen Windows XP logo. It flashes for some reason, I don't know why. And what do we see? We see the Windows XP pointer. It's moving. Yes, we are in Windows XP, right on the same hardware. Just to prove it to you, let's go to the system properties again over here. As you can see, those are the exact same specifications. Now the RAM might appear different because Windows 11 was 64-bit and this is 32-bit, but yeah, this is running like completely natively and it has like internet support, and I've installed all the drivers in it, even the sound driver, and the even HD graphics driver is still working in over here. As you can see, if I click on graphics properties and click on OK, yep, there we have Intel HD graphics and the audio driver is also there, so that's pretty good. So this is what I've been able to achieve after installing both these operating systems onto this PC. So please do let me know what do you think about this setup, and did you believe that such a thing would have been possible on actual hardware or not? Because people have been making these kind of things in virtual machines, but on real hardware it's a different story. But it may be surprising to a few of you that Windows XP and Windows 11 are running on the same hardware in dual boot. That's pretty great. So okay then, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.